Hello, my name is Tomislav from Top 10 in Sydney. This is basically a tutorial for the love of Paris.com.au for this website. In this tutorial, I'm gonna explain you how to use the website, how to add new pages, add new posts, even add new products, how to add variations of products, how to set up a product, their images, price, freight, and such. I'm gonna explain you as well how to edit both pages, blog posts, and products if you want to change something after a while. As well, I'm gonna show you how to add new product categories, new posts or pages categories. I'm gonna as well show you some options in WooCommerce, which is basically a web shop for WordPress. There, I will show you how to set up a PayPal shipment, adding freight and such. I'm gonna explain a lot of options. As well, I'm gonna show you how to add new pages into a menu. Like for example, if we hover over the products, I'm gonna explain you how to add new product category and how to import it into the menu, into this drop down. Or how to add new pages right here in the menu. So let's get started. Currently, we are logged in as administrator on For the Love of Paris. You can see that by seeing the top bar menu on the top. First thing, I'm gonna explain you the parts of the website. So basically, this is a logo. We have a logo here. We have a menu, main menu here, sub menu which is on the top. We have a slider, a huge slider that is right here with some text and link to that category of products. There are two slides at this moment which are animated. Underneath that we have a text, basic text, and we have categories of these products that are placed on this website: prints and framed, ottomans, cushions, fabric, and greeting cards. These pictures right here are created in Photoshop, so I doubt that you will be able to replicate the same style of this font if you have a new category, but you can try. If you have a new, let's say, a new category, you can insert it right here, new category of products. If you click on each of these pictures, we will be redirected to that category and the list of products which are in that category. Underneath that, we have product slider, which suggests the clients, customers, some other products, which is very useful. We can directly add it here to our cart, or make a quick view, or add to wish list. Underneath that, there's a simple text box with the text. And all the way in the footer, we have copyright with all rights reserved. So let's explain first how to add. Let's explain first options from this theme. We're gonna select dashboard in the top left corner. Depending from the server, sometimes it takes a while to load. Here you can see a bunch of options in the dashboard. If we want to edit options from this theme, we select Luxi options and click General. Here we go. It's a little bit slow. today. Actually, we're gonna select header. Here you can see main logo. If we want to change our logo, which is on the top of the page, which is the logo right here, if we want to change that logo, we have to click remove this logo from up here and upload a new one. If we click remove, it will disappear from here. Then we click upload. We can upload a logo from media library, but if you are changing a logo, you probably don't have a logo in the media library already, so you're gonna have to upload it with upload files in the top left corner right here. We're gonna select files from our PC, and here we're gonna navigate to where our logo is stored, and we're gonna select it and click open. Once it's there, we're gonna click select in the top right corner, in the bottom right corner. Then the new logo will be added here. The sticker logo is the logo. When we scroll down, we got the new menu, which is always on the top, which is very useful. We got the small version of the logo right here. Right here. If you want to change that logo, we have to remove this one and upload a new one. Again, this logo has to be way smaller than the actual logo, so it looks nice. It can be bigger than this version. In the footer, there's this line of text, which is on the bottom. If we look right here, that's the text which is right here. If you want to change it, just add or edit this text here. In the typography tab, we can change the font of the page, but probably won't be using that. Now I'm gonna explain you how to add pages. We're gonna navigate to pages and click add new. Here we're gonna write the title of the page. We can write whatever we want to. Here, this is a text editor. We have a visual and text editor. We will probably using visual editor as it has different options right here. We can add some text here. Write some title, let's say title. If we want to add picture in this page, we have to click add media, and again we can upload it from media library and select one of these and insert into page. Let's say this. We can choose alignment here if you want the image to be aligned left, right, or centered, or none. As well, we can choose different dimensions from the image here. When we're done with these options, we click insert into page. Actually, I'm going to insert one just for demonstration. Here we go. If you want this image to be aligned right, as well, we can change options here. So basically it's now right, now it's centered, or now it's left. If you want to remove this image, simply press remove button. We can style this text with bold, italic, and different options from here. We can as well add hyperlinks. If you want to add a hyperlink, click this button. This button right here. We're gonna click it now. We have to add an URL here. Let's say www.youtube.com, and for link text we add something. We can select here, do we want this to be opened in a new tab. Now this is gonna link to youtube.com and it's called something. If we want to edit this hyperlink, we simply click edit and change options here and click update. Again, if you want to change it, we can simply select it and delete it or click remove button. Actually will just remove a hyperlink. We can choose different settings here from headings and such. We can use, you probably will, it's good to choose a category. You have a list of categories here. We have now questions online, questions Sydney and such. If you don't have a category that you need, you can click add a new one by clicking add new category. You can add new tags to this page and such. You can, in this part of the page, you can select different options from publish option. You can publish it immediately or sometime in the future or sometime in the past. So basically, if you select the future date, there will be a schedule button here. So that's basically it. If now I'm going to explain you how to add new posts. It's almost the same. It's basically the same thing. I'm just gonna go to show it. Here we go. You can see that everything is same except the format. Again, we can write the title here, add the text, some text here, add category tags, or select here which format this post will be. The most used is standard one. One important thing for adding a blog post is set featured image. So basically, if we navigate here into blog, you can see that this blog has two posts. One is Hello World. Both posts are the demo ones with sample text. This one is the Hello World, and this one is Lorem Ipsum dollar. The featured image is the image that is being shown right here. So it's really important not to forget to set this featured image. It's same as adding media to posts or pages. We can select one from media library or upload one from our PC. And simply when we select one, we set featured image. And that's basically the main thing that's different from the pages. You always have to set featured image if you want an image. If you don't set one, there will be an empty space right here. Now I'm going to show you how to edit this post. Let's say hello world. If you want to change this text or image, I'm going to explain you now how to do it. We're going to navigate to all posts in the posts tab in WordPress dashboard. We're going to wait a little. Here we go. Now we see a hello world blog post right here. We're going to click edit button below, just underneath it. Now that it's opened, you can see all the text that is right here. If we select the hello world blog posts, we're gonna see it entirely. There it is. Now if we want to change these settings, you can either do it the way I did it right now or click edit post. You have to enter this post and click edit post at the top, and you will have the same result as going on all posts and selecting hello world and editing it. So basically you have the main text right here. If you want to change it, you can simply delete it and add your own content. It's almost the same like adding a new post. This is just an update of the already added post. You can see a featured image right here. You can remove that featured image and select a new one. This is basically the same with the editing of page. Again, don't forget, when you make final edits, don't forget to click update. It's really important. Either when you're adding a new post, always click publish at the end, so it's actually published and visible to everyone. I'm gonna as well show you how to delete this post or page. It's same thing. So basically you have edit here, like I've shown you a couple of moments ago, but you have a trash. With this button trash, you move this blog post into trash, and it won't be visible anymore in the blog. All right, so basically editing pages is the same, so I won't explain it again since it's the same thing, just under a different tab. Again, if you want to add new categories, you can do it the way I explained you before, adding a new category within the post, or you can select here categories and add a category in right here. You have all the categories here. You can edit them or delete them, or you can add new categories in here. So now I'm going to show you how to add new products. As you can see, here we have a product page. I'm going to select it. Here we have all the products which are visible on 2 pages. We can select page number 2 to see the remaining ones. If you want to add a new product in here, you have to navigate to dashboard, products, and then click add product. Now when we open this page, add new product, we have to write product name here. It's like it says. Here you write the description of the product. I'm going to show you example on one product, which part is which part. You will see in a moment. So basically, the title, which is product name, is written right here. So this is the title. The content, which is right here, is the content that is right here. So basically this is the main content, which goes here. It will be shown below the title and be below the price. You have under all the way to bottom, you have product short description. This product doesn't have a short description, so I'm gonna open the one that has, like this Secret Garden Ottoman. Here we go. So basically this is the full content. This is the full content, which is to be written here. And this part at the top, this small section, is a short description. So basically this is a short description of this product. That part is to be written here under short product short description. We firstly have to select the category in which this product is. Again, if the category isn't here, you have to add a new product category. Then we have to set product image. It's the same thing like adding all images I've explained so far, either from Media Library or from PC. we can set more images into each product, which is the product gallery. We can add multiple images right here. Let's say if you have more images from different angles of the product, then you can insert all those images into product gallery. The feed product image will be the main image that is displayed right here. And these images below that are half transparent, we are the images from product gallery. Now, this product has a variation. This is a variation product. We have two options, black or white, which is piping. The piping, this thing. So it costs the same, $650, but we have two options, black or white. How do we do that? If we add a simple product which doesn't have variation, which is only one product, like, I'm gonna show you an example, which is fabric. Here we go. You can see that this product doesn't have variations. You have no options to choose. This product is the product itself. It doesn't exist in more variations. If you want to make a product that doesn't have variations, it has to be selected as simple product in this drop down. In this drop down, you have to select simple product. This is the product that doesn't have variations. The SKU is a number of that product. You can set any number that you want. It's maybe for your tracking of this product or something else. You have a regular price and sale price. So basically always write a regular price unless you want to set a regular price higher or regular and sale price set as cheaper. So basically all the products that already exist on this page are regular price products. Here we have a stock management. Usually on this page it's not enabled. So basically users see all products as available, not as a stock product, like there's only one left. So if you want the stock management, you have to enable this option here. We have a shipping. You can set shipping options in here. You can set it differently for each product, or you can set it at the end, like I'm gonna explain you. Since shipping isn't set for each product here, it will be set as shipping same for all the products. So basically that's it for the simple product. Now I'm gonna explain you how to add a variable product, which is the product like this one, which has a black and white options for piping. I'm gonna pause for a moment and I'll be right back. I'm back. So basically, variable product. The variable product is a product which is to be chosen right here from product data. Again, you have to choose a variable product. Again, write a SKU number here if you want to. I've set for each product a different SKU, so you can track it down or write down or whatever. We have different same options like we shown you in the simple product. The important part is attributes. If you have a variable product, you have to add a new attribute. And you have to click here, add. So, if we want, I'm going to explain you actually with the piping, since we have that example right here. We have black and white piping options. So we have to write under name piping, as this is a variable name. Values are white and black. So we have to write here white and separate it with this sign and write black. So when we click Save Attributes, which I'm gonna do now, we're gonna save these attributes into this product. And there we go. Now we go under Variations. We select these options underneath Attributes. Wait a bit. Now we have to add variations. Usually you will create a variation from all attributes, meaning in this case, since we have attributes to values which are black and white, there will be two variations of this product which will be created automatically with this option, create variations from all attributes. If there are another attribute which let's say sets different dimensions, like we have for pictures, let's say 100 by 100 and 50 by 50 dimensions in centimeters. Then, so basically those two are two values of the variation of the attribute. So if we would set create variations from all attributes, we would get 4 variations of the product, because the black one would have 2 dimensions and the white one would have 2 dimensions. Actually, the one dimension would have color black or white, and the another dimension would have color black or white. I'm going to explain you actually that as well, since it's a little bit complicated for me to explain. I'm going to first show you on the example of, you just simply click here, OK. I'm going to show you on this example. Here we go, 2 variations added, simple fast. Here we go, you have a black or white. So this is 2 products. This is different product. This is a black version product. This is a white version product. If you want to edit, and you probably do, edit options of these products, you have to click here to toggle, and there we go. We have various options for this product. Here again can write SKU for the black product. You have to set a regular price right here. Sale price if you want to. Regular price is required, which is a normal thing. You can fill these options if you want. And here, by clicking on this blue image, you can upload an image of this black product, which I did in many products on this website. So the black piping product had a black piping image, and the white piping product had the white piping image. So basically, when you selected here black or white, different image would appear right here. Again, I can explain you the image which is shown right now on the right side is basically the functionality of WooCommerce, which is almost impossible to remove. This is basically a zoom in of this image. So so it's not a strange thing for you. Why is it showing? It's simply the functionality. So that's basically it. I'm gonna now explain you a same variable product with more attributes, which would create more variations of a product. Actually, I'm gonna explain you that on existing products. So basically now you've seen how to add new product, how to add new simple or new variable product. Now I'm gonna explain you how to edit a product, and as well explain you how did I achieve those options, which I will show you right in a moment. I'm gonna choose a product with more attributes, which are these images, prints, frame prints. You can see here they have a color and the size. Color has 3 options and the size have 3 options as well. which in end is a 6 variations of a product. Actually, it's 9. Sorry, it's 9 variations of a product, because each color can have different sizes, or each size can have different colors. It's basically the same thing. So I'm gonna, if you on this product page, you can click edit product on the top. I open it in a new tab right now with a scroll mouse click. Here we have the product, this product right here. This is a content, this is a title, this is a category, this is a product image, and here is a short description. Now the important part, in the product data you can see where product is selected. There is a SKU number. This is actually the first product that I've added, that's why it has the SKU number 10101. Inventory, shipping, linked products, nothing to do with it. What we want is attributes. As you can see, this product has 2 attributes. It is color and it is size. If we expand, we can see, again, I forgot to explain, when you are adding a new attribute, you have to click this checkbox used for variations. It's very important. If you are using attributes for variations, you have to click this checkbox used for variations. Otherwise, you won't be able to use it for variation. So it's really important. You can see here the example how I've added 3 colors. I'm gonna close this one now and open size, and you can see here how I added 3 different sizes for this product. So basically this is the first one, separated with this sign. This is second and third value, 3 values. And again, click use for variations, and here is the title name. Now we can go under variations tab, which is just underneath it. You can see there are 9 variations of this product. You can see the raw color. There are 2 products with raw color. There are 3 products with white color. You can see 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 products with black color. 1, 2, and 3. What's different with these things, with this product variation, is that the raw image has a different dimension. This one has a different dimensions. As there are 3 different dimensions, there are created 3 different products for each color. I've achieved this by clicking. I can show you right here now, but you have to click after you add attributes, create variations from all attributes. So basically you added two attributes, color and size, with 3 values in each. You go under variations and you click create variations from all attributes. This will automatically create 9 products, as it will create 3 products for each attribute. Now if you want to change, again you have to click here, click toggle. You can see this one image in the raw size. You can see it's black here, but I've set the raw color here. So when you click here raw and select some option, you can see the image changes. The image changes to the option that I've chosen. This is a very clever and very good web shop. Instead of having 1 image, we have more images for each variation of a product. I also recommend to create images for all the products and all the variations, of course, if you have those products at the time. You can see this raw 82.5 by 62.5 has a regular price of $2.52. Again, if we choose a raw but with a different dimension, which is 62.5 by 62.5, it will have a different regular price, a different SKU. Always remember to write a different SKU. And always remember to write a regular price. And the same thing is with all other variations of product. If you want to add manually all these products, all these variations of product, you don't select really variations from all products, but you select add a variation. With this option, you can create one at a time. You can create one variation. Let's say I only want one option. I will select only raw as color and only select one of these dimensions. The other won't exist. If you want to remove some of these products, you can simply click remove here. Remove, remove, remove. Always remember to save changes, as well update the product page at the end when you're done with all the changes. If you don't do this, all changes will be lost. Let me check if I explained everything correctly. I did. It's really simple when you get used to it, the adding of new products. Categories we again have here, or we can click categories here and add a new category. We can set shipping classes under shipping classes page on the left side in the dashboard. There are none currently. We can set attributes so we don't have to enter them manually always. Like you can see, I've added attributes from size, color, and orientation, which I've always added, didn't have to write them always. And basically that's it for the products. Now I'm gonna explain you all the parts about editing pages. First, I'm gonna explain you how to edit a home page, which is very important. This is a home page. If you want to edit a home page, you simply click edit page right here. This is a visual composer. You can see it's really different from all the pages that I've edited in the last couple of minutes. You can see different options here. At the top we have a revolution slider. That's this part. You shouldn't be this shouldn't be touched. The text below that, which is the text right here, is the text right here. If you want to edit this text, here is a text block, and you have to click on pencil, edit text block. Here you have the text. You simply edit here and click save changes. Underneath that are different borders and the categories, which are the categories right here. If you want to add a new category, you can add it right here underneath simple image, which is the one here. Or you can duplicate this one, clone this row, and change the image. I'm gonna explain you. Let's clone this one. So basically we just made another fabric browse products image. Now if you want to edit this and set a different image, we click edit single image. Here we go. There's the image, which is right here. You can click X or button on it to remove it and add a new one from library or either from our PC. You can see the image link right here. If you want this image to be linked to different product, you have to change the link here. And at the bottom we have a simple content. Again, on the pencil, you can edit this content, or you can delete it on the far right side. Again, when you're done with the changes, click update button, so everything is saved. If we navigate to the about page, there we go. We again click edit page at the top bar. Here we have the image from the right side. You can edit it the way I've explained before. I'm gonna explain it one more time. You can remove this image by clicking on X here and adding a new one from either from PC or from Media Library. When we're done, we click Save Changes. And on the left side is the text. The text, I'm gonna show you. Let me open this page so I can explain you. Here we go. The text right here is the text in this text block. Again, we click pencil button, edit text block here, change the text, and click Save Changes. And that's basically it for about. Products is a simple product page with different options. Stocking is currently empty. You can edit it the way I explained already. Here is a blog, and here's a contact. I'm going to explain you how to edit a contact. Here we have a map where our company is located, and a text, and a form. We click edit page on the top. It takes some while to load. Here we go. We have a title, contact us, we'd love to hear from you, which is to be changed here. It is as well a simple text block. We have a Google Maps underneath that. We can click on pencil button in order to make changes to this block. You can see here is an iframe from Google Maps. You have a step-by-step here how to get this code and your location. And simply add a new code in here and you can change it to whatever location you like. Underneath that we have this text and title. It's to be edited here. It's again a simple text block. Click pencil button and edit it to your demands and click Save Changes. Underneath that we have a context 7.4. This is a special plugin. So basically in the options you have to choose contact and click contact forms in order to make changes to this form. Actually, I'm gonna set it up properly as it's not set up currently, but this is probably too hard to explain how to make changes here. I will set it up a little bit later. One more thing that I forgot to explain is how to change a slider image. If we navigate to home, we have a slider image here. We have to navigate into the dashboard, into slider revolution, and click slider revolution. Here we have homepage slider. This is the slider that is being used. We click on it. Here we have slide number 1 and slide number 2. In here we have this huge slide. If you want to change image from this slide, you have to change image right here. Right here. Click change image and select image which you want to use for this slide. This is actually a little bit harder to do, and it's really hard to explain as there are various options and settings. This text can be edited by double click, and basically that's all I'm gonna explain right now, because it will take hours to explain the whole process of everything. There is add new slide, or we can duplicate the current slide, and simply you can choose different background, different text, and that way you can simply add a new slide. Now when I explain this as well, I'm gonna show you menu, appearance menus. Here we go. Here you have a for Paris menu selected. We have home, about, products. We have categories of these products, stockings, blog, and contact. If you want to, let's say, add a new page here, you can click view all and add it from here, because this will show all the pages on this website. If you want to remove some part of the, let's say, stockings, you click here and click remove. You can as well change order of these things by clicking and dragging top, bottom, or right to be a subcategory. When you're done, you have to click save menu in order to save changes. One more thing that I wanted to explain are the WooCommerce options and how to set up a paying system and shipments and such. Here we have orders, WooCommerce orders. This is actually my internet being slow and not the website, I believe. Here we go. Here we have an order which already exists by Senka. While she was testing it, you can see you have an order by this name for this product under that day and paid via PayPal. You can see the address as well, where should it be shipped to. You can view it, this order, by clicking on the actions bar far right. You can see here that the order status is cancelled. We have order date, address, shipping address, email, telephone number, and the product. You can see the piping is black for this product, Secret Garden Hummingbird and Butterfly two-sided cushion. you can see the amount that was being paid. There are reports as well. There are different settings. I'm going to explain you the settings now. So basically you have a general options here. The base location is set as Australia. You can set a part of Australia, which is a base location. I don't know which one is currently, so now it's actually this is Austria. Australia has to be selected. I'm gonna select New South Wales. You can later choose any of these other options depending where you are. You can set selling locations. You can sell only to specific countries and add this country right here, or sell to all countries. I believe you will be selling only to Australia, so you can a specific country, add Australia. Default customer address is geolocate. So basically I think it's automatically finding their location. Here you have a currency, which is Australian dollars. You can choose this whatever you like, either that will be US dollars or Australian dollars. You can change it here. You have a currency position, which can be on the left side from the coast, on the right, or with space on the left or right. And you have a separators here and number of decimals, which is 2 right now. When you're done with options, you click Save Changes. Again, this was the general tab. You can see here your settings has been saved. We can go to Products tab now. Here we have weight units. It's in kilograms. You can choose different options here. If you will be using these options at first place, dimensions as well. You can remove ratings and reviews here. We have a display. This is a sub-tab of products. This is basically everything is set up here like it should be. We have inventory and downloadable products. It's irrelevant. We have a tax tab right after the products. You can choose enable tax here if you are enabling tax and tax calculations on this WooCommerce web shop. You can enter it manually or choose not to. You have different options here. Basically everything is self-explaining. You can see what's here and you can see what is there to be choose from. It's really simple. You have more sub-menus: standard rates, reduced rate zones, and zero rates. Reduced rate rates and zero rate rates. You can browse through these options to find out if you will be using any of those. After that, we have a checkout. You can enable use of coupons, calculate coupons discounts sequentially. We have selected here enable guest checkout, as we will let users to buy products without having to register on this website. We have here for secure checkout. Actually, this is very recommended for each web shop, because when a client comes to your website, he wants to be secure when he's using his PayPal, either his credit cards. In this case, there will be only a PayPal, but still, if they see a green, how should I say, green lock here, if they see a green lock here, they are automatically secure that this website is protected and that their information for PayPal, either for their credit cards, won't be in danger. So basically, it's really recommended to buy a SSL HTTPS certificate. It's really recommended for a web shop especially. We have checkout pages and different options here. Everything is set up except these options. As a gateway display order, we have settings here. Currently PayPal is enabled, you can see, and check payment. You can remove this check payment by choosing it here in the sub tab and clicking disable. I'm going to show you now PayPal. I'm going to choose PayPal. You can see it's enabled. Enable PayPal standard, title, description. Here is the PayPal email. You should write your own email here, so everything comes to your email. This is PayPal sandbox. This is for testing payments. It can be selected to test out. A receiver email should be your email as well. We have different options here, from sending shipping details to PayPal instead of billing, and really a lot of things. We have API credentials here. I myself don't know exactly what this is, but basically I believe that is for secure PayPal transactions while connecting your PayPal and this website. I mean, it's not necessary, but I think it's recommended, as it is optional, as you can see right now. Then the next tab is shipping. Shipping is enabled. As well, calculator on the basket page of shipping is enabled as well. The default is shipping to billing address. You can see that currently only the local delivery is enabled. You can see it right here. You have all these options in the sub menu on the top right here. We can choose local delivery, as it is only one that is enabled now, because we have a check mark on enable local delivery. And here's the title of this delivery, fixed amount, which is $15 right now. You can choose this to whatever fee you like. And here are the allowed zip postal codes. You can set only couple of them, or depending how far do you want to ship for this price. And here are the countries. You probably want to set specific countries, as set one part of Australia or whole Australia, depends on you. You have different options for shipping as well at the top. You can browse them out. Under emails, you should be setting this email as yours as well. Here is the from name. This is what the clients which buy the product will receive. You have, for each process of the ordering, you have different email. You can see there's a new order email, but this is probably too complicated to explain. You can browse this a little, as it would take a really long time for me to explain. You have a new order, cancel order, processing order. This is already automated, as you will see when you will be testing out with your own buyings of one product. Just for testing it out, you will see that you will be receiving an email for each process in the buying of a product. So basically that's everything that I wanted to explain. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, and that's it. Thanks for watching.